Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to make a gasket for the engine oil cap. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's a bit shiny and moist around the oil cap, and I've come to find out that it just leaks out oil, I guess because it's such an old engine. You can also see that happening over here too. I think it's actually the little rubber gasket here that's inside of the dipstick. And so first things first, I'm going to try to add a gasket based off of this cork rubber sheet. So it says you can use it for the oil filler cap, so I'm going to trim out a piece of this cork and just place it as the gasket seals. So hopefully that'll keep the oil from getting thrown out of the engine. There's no leak anywhere else, it's just coming from the top and the I guess because these parts are so old. So let's do that right now. So I don't have much of an idea of how to properly do it, so I'm just going to take a random shot at it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this old oil that I pulled from the spark after an oil change and just add it around the entrance of the oil, and I'm going to lay this on top to give me somewhat of a template, and hopefully that works out. So I'm not going to do anything too crazy, just going to lightly add this oil. All right guys, so I lightly added some oil, and you can see I got a bit of an idea of what I need to cut out. So let's go cut that out real quick. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this cutting tool from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to cut on the outer edges and try to get that as close as possible to the template. All right, so I cut out the outer piece and I'm going to cut out the inner piece. Alrighty, so I just trimmed out the inner piece. Might have to refine it a little bit. We'll see if it fits on the oil cap right now. All right, so it looks like it did work. Looks like it fits perfectly. Now let's put it on. Hopefully it doesn't immediately destroy itself. All right. I'm gonna tighten it snug. Not too hard, but snug enough. And there you have it. All right guys, I'll let you know how this works out. We'll see if it holds well, and maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Hopefully it just gets rid of the oil leak. So I'll let you guys know. Bye-bye.